Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am going to analyze first week analysis of gold trading 2024. So we made our Telegram link is below. Huge good profit in this year 2022-23. So you can join with this accurate gold analysis with signals in next year 2024 and make good profit with the gold trading. So Telegram link is below, you can join with it. So we hope 2024 is the made good one for gold trading like 2023. So let's go to the first week of what will going on gold in next week and the first week of New Year 2024. So I have marked two lines. You can see I am in for our chart is the first resistance line is the strong resistance line technically. That's it, the 2090 level. So it has more strong sellers are active in this area. You can see price drop to the last time in from this area 2090 area is still not break this area. So to break this area, gold USD XAU USD needs strong data. That is a strong resistance line is still not break. So price retest again and dropped the last week in this from level 2090 level. So next is the trend line below. You can see I have marked the trend line. Price has reacted several times in this trend line, go to the upside and retest above resistance level 2090. That is the technical picture. So break this trend line or break to upside. That is the forecast. So two options, 2090 level and the trend line level is the 2058-60 level is the more maximum pain level. So what is the next week economic data? So next week the non-farm employment change will be released. So next Friday 5th January, that is more volatile for US dollar. So Federal Reserve American Central Bank, what is going to be doing in next year 2024 regarding US dollar? I am always touch with the economic data dollar. If you are trading gold, you should touch with economic data regarding US dollar. So unemployment rate 3.9 and the next week is the unemployment rate also. You will touch with this economic data, non-farm employment change data also next week. So NFE data will positive, dollar will be demand and gold drop to the below side and break to the this trend line. So this is two levels, 2090 resistance level and trend line 2058 level. So price is range in there. So what is the technically picture in next week or next week analysis I am going to. So I am going to the 1 hour chart. This is the 1 hour chart. So I am seeing this is the channel is continued to the downside in last week. So price reacted to above resistance level and test to the below trend line. So that is the channel pattern I am seeing. So break this trend, going to the upside, wait to the break and retest and candlestick confirmations also. That is the my first option. So that is the first option. Is the another option? I hope so next week this trend line will be break to the downside. So going to the upside is the next target is goal 2100. So geographical impact market tension will be effect that the 2100 will be reached with the market tension. So without risk of sentiment, the gold break to the below side and that is the breakout. You should wait for the breakout like this, get the sell trade. So you have a sell trade but wait to the break side, break to the down side. So 2050 is the target, is the break to downside. So next FOMC meeting is January. You should touch with the next FOMC meeting also, that what is the Federal Reserve is telling and what is hawkish or dovish. So above level 2090, 2040 is the below level. That is the main forecasting level for next year. So wait for the confirmation, accurate analysis in my telegram link. I'm always touch with the economic data and technically analysis you can join with. So get the trade smaller time frame confirmations. Thank you very